Hello, in front of me I've got SENNHEISER Momentum 4. In this video I'll show you how to manage gestures. In the beginning, make sure that your headphones are turned on and that you are wearing them. For music control, on the right ear cup, tap once to play and pause. Scroll right to skip to the next track and left to skip to the previous track. Tap twice to enable or disable ANC. Swipe upwards to increase the volume, downwards to decrease the volume. For call control, swipe right to answer the call, swipe left to end the call, tap and hold for 2 seconds to decline the call. Tap twice to pause the call and tap twice to answer second call. Then, if you want to mute or unmute microphone, press power button once. For adaptive noise cancellation, you can pinch the touch panel or tap twice. For transparency mode, you can slide outdoors from the center with 2 fingers or tap twice. If you want to use voice assistant, press the power button once. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.